Hello ladies, how are you guys doing today? Hey, we are going to be doing, we're going to be using these colors. We're going to just make a little chalkboard art with this transfer. It's one that I've really loved. It's You Are Awesome, Smart, Wonderful, Beautiful, and Loved. I love affirmations. I think they are so powerful to keep you positive throughout the day. So we're going to do this one in these three colors, and we're just going to do each line a different color. And honestly, I just haven't had time to really play with these colors, so I wanted to see what they look like. So let's get started and make sure you guys can actually see it because it's so big. But this is an 18 by 24 chalkboard that we have. You'll find everything here today, you'll find in my shop. And everything gets shipped right to your door, so it's really convenient. But guys, as you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're from. Let me know if you're new. If you're new, tell me hello. And if you have questions, put them in the comments or just send me a direct message. This is kind of two of my loves together. I love positive affirmations and I love crafting. So one of the reasons that I joined this company was is because of all the positive sayings, right? And a lot of their work that they do, a lot of the graphics that they come up with, it's just a positive sayings, positive pictures. Some are funny, some are cute, some are just good reminders. But you know, I love being able to create something that's positive, and then also stuff that make it so easy for you, right? Like you don't have to sit and design stuff for hours and then hope that it turns out right? So I'm going to kind of show you how to do one of our larger transfers. Hopefully I can show you a nice easy way. But guys, if you're new and beginners, I honestly want you to start out with like our 5x5s or even like 5x7s or 8.5 by 10s. This is just kind of and the reason I say that is because it's going to help you get used to it being sticky on the back. Because these are silkscreen transfers and they're sticky, and that's how we get our nice clean image that we get out. And you guys can use this on fabric as well, and then on chalkboards. You can use it on any surface basically, but you can kind of see I use my backer to help me maneuver that on there. So while it's on the backer, it just kind of helps smooth it out. So take your hands and kind of smooth out the air bubbles. And guys, I see like air bubbles there, but that's not close to my design. So just make sure that it's not close to your design, and you should be perfectly fine. So I'm gonna do, I have my food warming up or cooking while we're doing this. And I'm gonna kind of put that up there. But with this being so large, guys, and me wanting to use different colors, I'm going to what we call the chalk and peel method. I'm going to chalk it, and then we're just gonna peel up that one little word and then put it back down. And what that helps, guys, is it helps if I left it on there and then peeled it off once I was done with all of them, that bottom one would probably already be hard because our chalk paste goes on wet and dries hard, and so it would be hard, and so that screen print would actually bring up my chalk paste, and it wouldn't be very pretty. So I'm going to just plop some on here just to get it on, and then I'll take my squeegee and move it all over. So I want to start with that one, with my love. Yeah, I want to make sure you guys can see it. But I'm Mandy Ross with Wynn's Foxy Nest, guys. I always kind of forget to introduce myself. And I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and I love just to come on here and just give you guys some ideas of, you know, how to make your nest the foxiest, how to make your house the foxiest, and unique, and something you can be proud of. So I love that Chalk Couture helps me make my projects look professional and clean, and give me different opportunities to create something I normally wouldn't do. So let me put this here, and then we're just going to bring this up. And we don't have to let it dry necessarily. So this is our chalk base. Look how pretty that is. This is my favorite part, is when I get to do the peel and reveal. But you don't have to let it dry necessarily. You just put it down lightly, and it'll be fine. You just want to peel it up so it doesn't get mess up your image, basically. So then let's do the green. And guys, I really just haven't played with these colors as much, so we're going to see if we actually like them together. I think they're made to go together, so we'll see which ones we like the best. So thanks for joining, guys. Hope you're enjoying your, what is it? Is today Wednesday? Is it actually hump day today? Or is it Tuesday? Am I getting ahead of myself? So I just spread on the paste, and then I go back over it and get up what I don't need. It doesn't take much for your projects, guys, and you can squeegee off the rest of it and save it for the next project, basically. There we go. Okay, now let's do a purple. Actually, I'll get this off, and then I want to peel this up. Just to kind of keep it from going bad. And guys, if you find a spot where you missed, you can certainly just lay it back down. I see like just a little spot there on the green. Lay it back down and go back over it. I think it was right in here somewhere. So that's what I like about it. You still get the clean and crisp design. With like little effort. It is so easy. So, how many of you guys know about the love languages? Like the 5 different love languages. What is yours? Mine is words of affirmation, obviously. Positive affirmation. I love this one. It says, you are awesome, smart, wonderful, beautiful, and loved. And guys, you could use this. Obviously, this is more geared towards women. But I think this would be awesome in your little girl's room, but you can also do it for a boy's room and just leave out beautiful and just move that love up, and it would work for both men and women. But it's just a fun way to do it with all the different colors. And guys, we have like 30 different colors to choose from, so you could definitely make it something that's for your home. A little pop of color, or add to your color that you already have. So I like that about us, that you don't have to go with the same what everyone else has. You can kind of add your own little personality into your chalkboard art, your signs. And you can use, like I said, you can use these on any surface. Wonderful. Isn't that, perfect. Okay, lay it all back down. And now we're going to do smart in the pink. Because women are always smart. We always know what we're talking about, right? Miss Ouija. Hello guys, thanks for joining. And then this here. I would say it is a little trickier to work on the larger projects, guys. But they're so much fun, and they're still just as easy once you get used to just the stickiness. I think that's probably the biggest thing, is the stickiness, and knowing how to use your getting used to the paste or whatever, because it goes on wet, it dries hard. So I mean, it's fun, but you know, some people, it does take a little bit of getting used to. Okay, our green is next. I think I like these colors. These are pretty colors. They're fun. They're cheerful. What do you guys think? Do you guys have certain colors that you would use for them? Use on this one? And where would you put it? I think this is perfect for like a bedroom. Wake up first thing in the morning. That's what I want to see. First thing in the morning, last thing I see at night. I think it's perfect. Okay. Now put that back in my jar and bring it up. And then I'm going to do one last one and then we'll be done. You are in the purple. Perfect for, like, these are perfect for like nursery colors too. I like these nursery colors. Oh. Almost knocked over my paste. Make sure. Guys, how's your day going? Has it been nice? I don't know what day it is. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. My computer's telling me it's Tuesday. I was looking at hump day, but actually now I think about it, I'm supposed to go out and have dinner with my daughter tomorrow, so on Wednesday. So I guess it is Tuesday. I'm just trying to rush it a little bit. I'm ready to see her. She's a nurse, so she's been working like crazy hours with everything going on. Okay, now let's take this little baby off. I'm going to leave that like that, and I'm going to get that little backer sheet. I'm just going to put it on here just so it kind of helps me keep it from all sticking together. And then guys, this is washable, so when I'll take it to my sink and wash it up. And then once it's all washed up, it will, I'll put it with the sticky side up and let it dry, and then I'll put it back on the backer sheet with the white, or the sticky side and the shiny side together. And what's great about these guys is if you do get them like where they bunch up or they sticky, it's too much sticky, go put them under water, guys, and that deactivates the stickiness, and you can, you know, peel the backing off or whatever. But that's a tip. That you can use. Don't ask me how it works because it gets back to being sticky again. So I don't know how. It's genius is what it is, and what I love about it. But so yeah, if you get to where it's like too sticky or whatever, just put it under water. Okay, and that's it. Like, how easy was that? How pretty did that turn out? Isn't that cute? So this is on, let me see if you can see it here. This is on our 18 by 24 chalkboard, guys. And once it is, once I get ready for a new design, like if with Christmas and fall coming out, I can wash this off. Let me see if this is dry yet. Yeah. Okay, so the paste is dry, so I can rub my hands on it, I can dust it, all that good stuff, and it's not getting off. And so when I'm ready to put a new design on it, I just spritz it with water and rub it off, or even take a Lysol wipe and rub it off and put a new image on it. It's so easy, so cute. So let me know, give me some hearts if you guys are loving these colors, loving this project, and I will see you guys on Wednesday to see what else I got up my sleeve this week. And guys, if you like this project, I will be leaving the everything I used today down in the comments for you guys can check out my online store. And like I said, everything gets shipped right to your door. And guys, if you want if you're into DIY crafting kits, we have a monthly club that everything gets shipped to you automatically every month. You get an 8.5 by 11 transfer. I'll give you the link. It has everything in there that you need to know about it. But it's an easy way to remain a customer and get started with Chalk Couture, and just have fun, right? And then, of course, if you want to do what I'm doing, just type in join, and I'll get you the link for that as well. So thanks, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye.